Do you want to stop using fingerprint unlock without deleting your registered fingerprint? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra lets you temporarily disable fingerprint unlocking while keeping all of your saved fingerprint on the device. Let me show you how. First, open Setting. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Screen Lock and Biometric. Enter your current screen lock. Under the biometric section, tap Fingerprint. Find Fingerprint Unlock. When Fingerprint Unlock is enabled, you can unlock your phone using any registered fingerprint, while when Finger Unlock is disabled, your phone will no longer unlock using fingerprint. However, your registered fingerprints are not deleted. They remain saved on the device, allowing you to enable fingerprint unlocking again at any time without registering your fingerprints again. For this example, let's turn fingerprint unlock off. Now, lock the phone. As you can see, you are no longer able to use a registered fingerprint to unlock the phone. Instead, you will need to use your PIN, password, or pattern. Now, let's return to the fingerprint setting and enable fingerprint unlock again. Lock the phone once more. This time, the registered fingerprint unlock the device normally. Given to its function, you may want to disable fingerprint unlocking if you temporarily prefer using a PIN, pattern, or password. You are troubleshooting fingerprint recognition issues, or you want to prevent fingerprint unlocking without removing your saved fingerprint. And that's how you disable fingerprint unlock without deleting your fingerprints on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.